In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a pull down on a TRX. So firstly, what I want you to do is I want you to set up the handles of the TRX at hip. In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a TRX pull down. So when it comes to the TRX pull down, it's primarily going to be working a muscle called your latissimus dorsi, which is a big muscle in your back, which spans up and across your back. So what I want you to do firstly is you're going to set up the TRX in a position anywhere from the top of your hip all the way to your knee. So any position between the knee and the top of the hip will work for this exercise. Once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to start to step back with the TRX, okay, until you've got tension on the TRX. What I want you to imagine is that when you come into the exercise, the actual action that we're doing is we're going to be in this position where we've got the hands and the palms pointing down towards the floor, and you're going to bring the arms in a position where you're bringing them towards your body. So let me show you what it looks like. So you get the tension on the TRX, take a couple of steps forward to create an abrasive enough angle where it's going to be challenging. Eye line is looking at the top of the TRX where you've got it suspended from. Feet are hip width apart, and from here, keep completely straight at your elbows as you try to bring your hands and your arms down, like so. Brace your core as you're doing your repetitions, and each time you come up is one pull down. Reset between each repetition, and once you've done your desired amount of sets and repetitions, that would be your pull down on a TRX complete.